What exactly is a vacuum erection device or a penile pump? A penile pump is a tube where your penis is inserted in one end. There's a vacuum at the other end, and as you slowly pump, very slowly, it will draw from your body venous blood into the penis until an erection is achieved. At that time, a ring will go on the base of the penis, and the tube comes off, and you have your erection. Another question they say is, do I need the rings? I've seen ads on TV and in sex stores where they just use a pump and that's it. Here's the problem. If you have ED because of a prostate cancer or because of diabetes, you will need to use the rings. If you remove the cylinder without the rings, the body takes all the blood out of the penis back in and it goes flaccid again. So when you use the rings, you maintain that erection. Another concern about the rings is, how long can I leave the rings on for? You can leave the rings on for 30 minutes maximum. I always tell the guys, I relate it this way. If you're the type of guy that likes falling asleep after sex, you could wake up with your penis surgically removed. And here's why, basically. If you take and squeeze your finger, you'll see it changing color. Well, the ring does the same thing to your penis. It's a little bit bigger than your finger. That's good. But here's the problem. You've stopped all oxygen going to the tissue. Without oxygen, tissue will die. On the finger, I might have 15 minutes. On the penis, you have 30 minutes. Then the ring has to come off. On the upside, once the ring is off for 1 hour, you can use it again. Another question they've asked is, how often can I use the pump? And the answer is clear. After 30 minutes of the ring being on your penis, the ring comes off. You wait 1 hour. You want the blood flow, the oxygen to go through the tissue in the penis, and you can use it again for 30 minutes. Once 30 minutes is over, the ring comes off, you can wait for 1 hour and do it again. And another big thing what men should know about a vacuum device is this. If you have to use a vacuum device, you must use it at least twice a week to maintain penile health. And that is, you have to, those days where everything worked fine, we'd wake up in the morning, we have our erection there, what great, it's wonderful. We would get 4 to 6 of those every single night. That's our body's way of maintaining penile health for us. Wonderful. But when that doesn't happen, we have to take over and make sure we maintain the penile health ourselves by using the pump. So at least twice a week, you use the pump. Also, when using the pump, men are going to find that their penises will be about 1 degree cooler than the rest of your body temperature. Remember, you're putting in venous blood. It's already the blood, it's oxygen depleted. It's not the warm arterial blood. So it's about 1 degree cooler. Some guys can feel the difference, some can't. Another one that they're concerned about is the coloration of your penis. It's going to be darker than the normal color of your skin. Again, you're not pulling in the blood from the arteries, you're pulling in from the veins, oxygen depleted blood. Well, the very first thing you should know is take your time. Guys rush things and cause themselves pain and grief. Take your time, especially if you have not had that erection for more than 30 days. Our penises are great except for one thing. After 30 days or a year or 6 months or 2 years, they forget how much pressure to hold. So what you have to do is practice and take your time. Let the blood come in, but you're taking it from the veins. You're not using the arterial blood, okay? Take your time. Don't rush it. It comes faster as we're training our penis again.